Hello and welcome everyone. Today I'm going to show how to turn off suggested videos in Facebook feed. Facebook does not offer a permanent off switch for all suggested videos in your feed. However, you can hide individual suggestions by open the Facebook. Now tap on three dots. Now you can see over here hide post. You can tap there. Now secondly, turn off video autoplay. You can turn off video play by tap on your profile icon. Now tap on three line. After this, scroll down. Tap on setting and privacy. Tap on settings. Scroll down. Tap on media. Now you can see over here never. You can tick never. Like this, you can turn off video autoplay. Now thirdly, use the feeds tab. We can use the feeds tab by tapping over here. If you still have any question, comment down below.